Hello, third graders. Let's get started today with lesson 6.2. The name of today's lesson is called baseball multiplication. So, a little bit of baseball here. If you are a baseball fan, or even if you're not, I think that you'll enjoy this game. It goes with our objective here. I will be able to play baseball multiplication to build fact fluency, right? When we talk about fact fluency, we're talking about multiplication facts and how quickly, right, we can know those. Because now that we're pretty familiar with how to figure them all out, now it becomes trying to get faster with those and knowing when Mr. White says, what's 9 times 8? And boom, just having that 72 right there. And if you're not there yet, don't worry about that, right? That's fine. But as you practice, right, and as you practice more and more, and if you practice more and more, you'll become faster and more accurate with those multiplication facts. I'd like for you to turn today in your math journal to page 192. All right, we've got a little riddle here. What animal is good at hitting a baseball? What do you think? Let's just take a riddle prediction, like a dog, a fox. What's good at hitting a baseball? All right, solve each fact below. Match each product to a letter in the key. Then write the letter on the line above the fact to find the answer to the riddle. All right, so what does that mean here? What you need to do is you're going to solve these facts. So 3 times 3 is 9, right? 9. So 9 is in this range, right? 9 is between 0 and 15. So we need a letter A because A goes with 9 right here. So A. All right, go ahead, keep going. Here's 4 times 4, 2 times 2, and 10 times 10. Try to solve the riddle. All right, let's see what you should have gotten. 4 times 4. What is 4 times 4? 16, right? 4, 8, 12, 16. So 16 goes with B. 2 times 2, that's 4, right? So that goes right here. Another A. And 10 times 10. What is 10 times 10? It is 100. Way down here. Get it? A bat. What animal is good at hitting a baseball? A bat. A little multiple meaning word humor there, right? A bat can be like a thing that you hit a baseball with, or it could be that flying animal that we've seen. Okay. Let's get into our game here. Introducing baseball multiplication. And if you want to go into the online SRB and read all about it, you can. I'm going to take you through the directions, though. But you're welcome to check back at those if you need them. To get to our games, you've been here certainly many times before. Here's McGraw-Hill. It's right underneath HMH. McGraw-Hill. It's going to take us here. If we find the MC, then we're going to go into our 3rd grade book sometime. There it is. I have lots of books. V for virtual. And games is down here, EM games online. And one of the first choices that you're going to see when this comes up is baseball. Now, there's going to be different choices here. We are not working on addition today. If you want to come back and do addition a different time, or you can play these as much as you want, anytime you want. So don't click one of the first 3. Okay, we're going to choose the multiplication ones. We're going to start with 1 through 10. If you want to, if you find this to be pretty simple and you get a lot of them right and you want to challenge yourself with the harder ones, you can. But we're going to pick the first one under multiplication. And the goal here is to try to score runs by multiplying pairs of numbers pitched to them. When a player enters a correct answer, their batter hits a single, double, triple, or home run, depending on the product. A wrong answer earns the player a strike. The player with more runs or points at the end of 3 innings is the winner. All right, let's try to get some good runs here. I'll be pink. The computer can be orange.
Hey, heavy hitters.
All right, I don't know if you can hear that or not, but we're saying we're going to play baseball multiplication.
Okay, pink ponies. Batter up.
Oh, we're the pink ponies, it said.
To get a pair of numbers.
All right, so it said click the pitcher. The pitcher is the guy throwing the ball.
Multiply the 2 numbers, then enter your answer on the keypad.
All right, I know 10 times 8 is 80.
This table will show you what kind of hit you got.
All right.
Let's play ball.
So this is going to be a good one, right? Because I got 80, and look at 80. 80's way up here. A home run. A home run means I get to go all the way around the bases.
Bye-bye, baseball.
Bye-bye, baseball, it said. So I get to run around the bases. All right, so that was good. Now I'm going to click the pitcher and get my next one. 5 times 9. What should I put there? I should put 45. And boom. Okay, so there, I got a triple because my answer was between 45 and 64. Okay, what's that one? 35 is right. If you said 35. Woo! And one of my guys came to home base. All right, now if I get one wrong, let's try.
Oh, you hit that well, but it's an out.
Oh, I didn't even get it. I didn't even get it wrong. I just got out. So sometimes that's going to happen. Let's say I got this wrong and I put 78. Oh, I missed. All right. So
incorrect.
You want to try to be accurate, right?
Again.
And if you could be quick, that's good, right? But accurate's going to be the best thing. I think this is going to be a home run.
Bye, baseball.
All right. Now, one other thing, though, before we have you go play that game is, right, well, there's our objective, right? We're playing this game and then making sure that this is going to help us to be strong on our multiplication facts. So why do you think I want to have you practice this game today? Well, yeah, we want to learn those multiplication facts, practice them. As we practice them, we'll be faster. We will see questions like this, that this game helps with on Evaluate. So if you think about, this one says divide, right? And we haven't done a whole lot of division facts. We've talked fact families for sure. But division is really just multiplication backwards. So 5 times something equals 25. See, I just used these same numbers and I put them in different spots. So what would go here? 5 times 5. So if you put that in on there, Evaluate, that'll work. 8 times 12. Well, we don't do a whole lot of times 12s, but I know, let's go helper facts here. 8 times 11 is, 8 times 10 is 80. So 8 times 11 has to be 88 because it goes up by 8. So let's go up 8 more. Go up 8 more. What would we get there? We'd get 96. Okay, so these types of games do help with some of our skills that we see on test quizzes and later in a later date. But the key thing here is to become better math students so that we can continue to grow and to learn. Tests, it's good to do a nice job on tests. The most important part is that we're learning this content and becoming better at math. All right, third graders, good luck with baseball multiplication. You're going to send me a screenshot of how your game went. So I look forward, hopefully you get a lot of home runs. All right, good luck.